Hey everybody, it's Theresa here of Larkindesign. Welcome back to my 2018 Project Life album. Today I'm working with products from the February Larkindesign release, including photo templates and also the Heart is Home digital collection. All of these products are available at my website, larkindesigntm.com. So I hope you could check that out and grab those products and then share what you've created with me. So let's get started. I already have my photos printed here. I've used the templates and I just wanted to share with you how I use those on the photos before I printed them out. And then everything was printed here at home on my Canon Pixma IX6820, and I just print on Epson photo paper or HP photo paper, whatever I have on hand. And then I also printed my journaling cards on Staples brand matte photo paper. So that is sort of just an overview of what I use to print. And then I just have a couple of little embellishments here that I want to add, and I want to round out my layout with some journaling as well here. So I'm working with the Freckled Fawn January kit. So these are the embellishments that you see. And I usually just pull one kit or one set of products to work with to add some embellishments here. Just very simple, not very complicated, a little touch here, a little color here. And so I'm working with the mints in the collection and the greens in the collection. And so this is one of the 6x8 templates. It's also available in a 9x12. I found that the aspect ratio for those two sizes are the same. So when you download the photo template kit, you'll get those layouts repeated. And I think that that one 6x8 template actually in reality has space for one photo, and I just split it into two photos here to tell the story. So some of the stories from this week actually seem to revolve around gaming, and so there's a couple of photos here of the kids playing their video games, and also we sat down on Sunday afternoon and played Catan, and so that is the story the photo in the upper left-hand corner at the table. That was my view of the Catan board. And then below that, the three kids on the sofa, they were having the best time. I forget what game it was that they were playing, but they were yelling across each other all over just this game and telling each other what to do. But it was hilarious because they were the most random words, and it was just really funny to watch. So I really wanted to capture that moment and include that here because it's just one of those really funny memories that when I see that picture, it captures that for me. We also ventured out to Lowe's that weekend just for general maintenance stuff. Nothing exciting going on, but there's always some good photo opportunities whenever we take the kids out, and they just do fun things. So those are the photos of them on the right-hand side of the layout here. So you'll notice here I have a filler card, and I'm just going to add a simple little embellishment and a title. So this title, All Good Things, is from One Canoe 2, and it just fits perfect. It fits perfect in that space, and the color is perfect, so it ties in with the rest of the layout. And there's a little wood embellishment that came from Freckled Fawn as well, and so I just adhered that using my tape runner. And then there were also some awesome labels in that Freckled Fawn kit. So those are just so easy to put on your photo and add a couple of words, and then your journaling is done. Like your journaling can literally be that simple. And I encourage you to simplify your journaling wherever you can, so that you don't feel so overwhelmed by that part of the process. So I designed this fun little card here. They're paint splatters going across the top of the card. And then I added these little transparent vellum stickers that have little words and sayings on them. And then I'm going to add some lines here so I can do a little bit more journaling on here. If you want to read the journaling, I encourage you to check out my blog. I always post an accompanying blog post with each video so that you can see close-ups, and you can usually read the journaling there through that. But that's how I added my journaling lines there. I just used that stamp was a line set from Paisley, I'm trying to think. It was from Paisley Press, from one of their stamp sets from the Ali Edwards December collection, or December Daily collections. So, and I just keep those lines on my stamp and use them throughout the year. Now, I have this calendar card. I released a full set of calendar cards in January. Of course, those are available on my website as well. And so the one there is for January, and that's a great little calendar card to include in your layouts. And then the week card, of course, is also included in that set. And so this is week 2 here from January. Also, there's the card with the triangles, with the mint and navy triangles. That's from January's collection as well. So if you're wondering about that. And I will link to all of these below, and they'll also be linked in my blog post so you can find them easily. And for that card, I decided to flip it upside down. It's actually cut in half. So there was a set of triangles on that card that was like coral colored, and then the navy and the mint. And so I've just used the navy and the mint side here. So don't be afraid if you have a 4x6 card that you want to use or that fits where you need it, then go ahead and use that and just trim it down and use it as a 3x4. That way you get a little more mileage out of your products. Now, for the week card, I really didn't need to do any journaling on this card. It simply serves as a marking of the date here. So an opportunity to embellish, an opportunity to use up some supplies. And I was also inspired by Larkindesign creative team member Renee Jones when she did her Starburst on her week card. And so I decided to use the arrows here. She used Starburst, I used arrows here. And then I think that completes this layout. So I'm going to wrap everything up. Thanks for watching. I hope that you will like and comment and subscribe. And be sure to check out larkindesigntm.com and grab some of those products. Thanks again, you guys. I'll see you back here again soon. Bye-bye.